So hi guys, this machine is not some kind of overcomplicated. So I will present you Becko machine. So this Becko machine is quite cheap. It's I think it's really cheap on the market. It cost me about 189 pounds. And unfortunately, after a few days of using, I am slightly disappointed of this machine. So basically, the model is WTK72011W, and so what I can start from this machine. So firstly, in this review of this machine, so I want to say, so we can the tambour gyre is quite big. You can put about 1 kilogram of your stuff, of your clothes, if you want wash it. And secondly, but it's just 1,200 speed. So thank you. I was just testing. Thank you.